It's no secret that throughout history, being Jewish has been inconvenient and often dangerous. On the holiday of Purim, the Jewish people celebrate the miraculous survival of the Jewish community in the ancient Persian Empire. This story is about an advisor to King Xerxes called Haman, who planned to kill all the Jews in the empire. Queen Esther, who was secretly Jewish, managed to twist the plot against Haman. She revealed her true identity to the king during a feast, and the nation was saved. The book that tells this story, called the Esther Scroll, is woven through with secrets and disguises, and since its events, it has become customary to dress up on Purim. At the National Library of Israel, we have some items that are also wearing disguises. Sometimes this is caused by greed, like in the case of this forged ketubah or marital contract, or these forgeries passed off as valuable ancient manuscripts. Other times it's pure fun, such as in these manuscripts where the authors disguised their names in riddles, or this prayer book whose scribe invented a whole secret script of his own. It happened too that the book would pretend to be older than it was to lend it importance, like the mysterious Sefer Yetzirah, Book of Creation, traditionally ascribed to the patriarch Abraham, but written, most likely, in the Talmudic period. And sometimes, like Queen Esther, Jews have needed to disguise themselves from the Hamans of the world. For example, in these letters, in which women and children transported to safety are referred to by nicknames, the barrel and the smaller pots have arrived in good shape. Or these prayer books in the USSR, where religious practice was forbidden, wearing the covers of boring old textbooks. Whatever the reason for these ingenious disguises, here at the library, we have unmasked them all. Happy Purim from the National Library of Israel.